Hello class 7th. Today we will discuss our chapter number 3 of civics, which is the role of government. The role of government. Before starting our chapter, we should know about this glossary. Whenever these words will come in your chapter, then you should aware about these terms. The first one is constituency. Constituency means a part where a representative elect and nominate their name or nominate his or her name for election. A particular area from which all the voters living and choose their representative. This could be a panchayat ward or an area that choose an MLA. MLA means member of legislative assembly. MLA means member of legislative assembly. In comment box, please answer me that what do you mean or what is the full form of MLC. MLC. I repeat this term again. Constituency means when a representative or when a person who elect in elections and he or she nominate his or her name for a post in a particular area is known as constituency. All the persons who are living in that area vote for him or her. A particular area from which all the voters, those who are living here, choose their representative. This could be a panchayat हो सकती है or an area that choose an MLA. The second one is majority. Majority means more number of people. If in your class 40 students are there and out of 40, 30 are girls and 10 are boys, it means the majority of girls and minority means less number of people. So minority of boys and majority of girls. I repeat, if in your class 40 students are there and out of 40, 30 are girls and 10 are boys, then the majority is of boys and the majority of girls and the minority of boys. This is a situation when more than half the number in a class supports a decision or an idea. It means in a number of groups supports more number of people when support a decision or an idea, it's called majority. It's simply called majority. In an election, when a representative get more than half number of votes, then it is victory for him. Now the third one is opposition. Opposition means, for example, in your class 50 students are there and 3 students are nominating or representatives and they are electing themselves for the post of monitor. The first child got 30 votes, the second child got 15 votes and the third child got 5 votes. If in a class 50 students are there and in that class first students got 30 votes, the second student got 15 votes and the third student got 5 votes, then the majority of first student and the second student who got 15 votes, he is playing the role of opposition. He is playing the role of opposition. Opposition means the second number of party which get less number of votes as comparison to majority party. This reason to elect representative, this refer to elected representative who are not member of the ruling party, who are not members of the ruling party and who play the role of questioning government, They have right to questions, to ruling party and they always keep an eye on the ruling party. They always criticize the decisions of ruling party. and actions as well as raise new issue for consideration in the assembly. This refer to elected representative who are not member of ruling party and who play the role of questioning government. They always play the role of questioning government. They always ask questions to ruling party, then why they should do this and that, and ask as well as actions as well as raise new issues for consideration in the assembly. They always keep an eye on the work of ruling party. The last one and the fourth one is press conference. Press conference means a gathering of journalists from the media who are invited to hear about and ask questions on a particular issue and are then expected to report on this to the larger public. It means when any famous personality call the media person to ask questions about this any action. A gathering of journalists means when the more number of journalists assemble in a particular place and ask question from any persons and get knowledge about any topic and then present their news in front of the larger public. The work of press conference means, suppose, is there any rumors about coronavirus? Then the government will call the journalist and clear all the points regarding corona cases and all the information about the corona. It means it is a press conference. In this press conference, all the journalists ask questions from the government and the government is responsible to give answer to the media. Then the media assemble all the points regarding corona and then they represent their report in front of the public. Then the public will make their decisions or view according to their reports. Thank you. This is all about your glossary of the chapter number 3 of civics, which is the role of government. In our next video, we will discuss this chapter and your work is in comment box. You will give me answer that what is the full form of MLC. MLC. Here we discuss the full form of MLA means Member of Legislative Assembly and you will give me the answer what do you mean by MLC. Thank you so much class.